Hey everyone, welcome back to Awaken to Truth. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that has intrigued many, the sound of trumpets and whether it signifies an awakening we've all been waiting for. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. Throughout history, trumpets have held significant meaning in various cultures. From ancient times to modern day, they've been used to signal important events, celebrations, and even warnings. But what do they symbolize in the context of an awakening? The idea of an awakening often refers to a collective realization or a shift in consciousness. Many believe we are on the brink of such a transformation. But what does this mean for us? Are we truly experiencing a global awakening? Let's look at some signs that suggest we might be experiencing this awakening. From social movements to environmental awareness, people are becoming more conscious of their impact on the world. Could these be the trumpets signaling a